Today I'm here to talk to you and demonstrate the BTR high-vis reflective backpack cover. This is available in 2 sizes and 4 colours, but for demonstration purposes I'm just going to show you the large yellow version. Okay, we bought this backpack cover out in November 2015. The reason we introduced it was because I actually bought a backpack cover myself personally. Well, actually I bought more than one, and to be honest they were all pretty hopeless. The faults came about in 2 areas really. Firstly, I found that the straps on the backpack cover used to be these flimsy little elastic material with pop-up studs on the side. Now I tried about 3 or 4 different brands, and each one, ranging from the first time I used them to the second or third time, either the straps just snapped or the pop-ups just broke, making it pretty useless, to be honest, not attaching to the backpack at all well. The second problem I found with them was when you put the cover on the backpack, because there was no real good attachments to the backpack, at the top of the backpack the cover would just sag off. So however waterproof it was, if there was no material covering the top of the backpack, which is your neck, bottom of your head, the contents were just getting soaked straight away. So I just thought they were pretty useless. So we came about doing our own design. So we've got horizontal and vertical. The idea of this is so that from both angles the cover's going to sit really tightly around the backpack. We've also added an elastic pull cord like this. So there's basically 3 ways which is this going to attach to the backpack. So horizontally, I'll demonstrate putting a backpack in. So we've got the backpack nicely covered, fully depth, all sides. This was an addition in 2017, made it a little bit deeper, so it really covers the whole backpack. So what we've got on the back of these straps here is Velcro, and we've got them right along the panelling, so it will fit a really good range of backpacks. Here, we've only got one going vertically, and again a good length of Velcro there, and we've got the sticky section at the top. So again, it will fit a good size. Now the reason we started off, we had like the horizontal, we had 2 vertically. The reason we changed it to 1 is to make it easier, so when this is in use, if you want to dip into your backpack, you just whip that off. You can feel it, and then you can get in to the top there quite easily. Top of the backpack, it covers there, so there's no rain getting in on the top either. As for the design, okay, so we've got the fluorescent yellow, and so we also have orange, reflective silver, and we have a black version. Down the side here is actually tape stitched on, so that's going to last. This is reflective, and on the inside the stitches have got waterproof material over them, so it's 100% waterproof. This is just prints there, again reflective. And finally, I'll just demonstrate how waterproof it is. So on this one here, I've got a lot of kitchen paper inside. Okay, so for the moment of truth, what's the kitchen paper going to be like inside? So, there, nice and dry. Here, looking pretty good. You can learn more and buy these covers on our own websites and on Amazon. We also have on our YouTube channel several demonstration videos of the backpack covers and other high-vis gear that we do, actually using them out at night. These demonstrate exactly how high-vis, how reflective they are. So do take time to have a look. I've got a good half a dozen or so and adding more all the time. Thank you very much for watching this demonstration. I hope it's of interest to you.